Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching the foundation: skin, hair, facial hair. Wash and exfoliate. A matte moisturizer with SPF keeps shine down and skin even. Next, go for a short, textured haircut, clipper sides and about 2 to 3 inch length on top. Ask your barber for layers to create movement. For facial hair, choose tight stubble or a clean shave. Trim stubble to about 1 to 2 mm so it reads intentional. Once done, make sure all lines are crisp and symmetrical. You move into wardrobe. Prioritize slim, tailored silhouettes that mimic a modern stage presence. Pick fitted tees and tapered jeans, then layer with a bomber or leather jacket. This creates the iconic outline. Stick to a neutral palette, black, white, gray, and add one accent color, like red, to draw the eye. Accessorize sparingly. A slim watch, a thin chain, subtle rings, and clean sneakers finish the look. Once assembled, make sure proportions are balanced from top to bottom, so your lines read confident on camera. You finish with polish. Apply a matte paste or clay through damp hair to build texture. Avoid shine so shape stays defined on camera. Use light concealer for under eye or blemish correction, then dust transparent powder to remove excess oil. Check posture and expression in a mirror. Posture sells the style as much as clothing. If something looks off, tight and fit, consider a slight recut or swap jacket weight for better balance. If problems persist, film a short test clip and adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.